Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. So for the eyebrow, I'll be using Million Pauline eyebrow. I'll be using the brown and the black color because the Million Pauline come in two. So I'll be using my small angle brush. So you can make this small angle brush with any small brush that you have. You can just use razor blade to shape it to form that angle brush shape that you want. So I love using this. It's very easy for me to apply the product on the brow. So I'm just using the little, so but it's the black that I'm using now. I'm using the black to bring out the shape first, so I will now be using the brown to fill in the middle of the brown. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So do let me know if you have any question. Do let me know. I have more detailed eyebrow tutorial. You can go and check it on my playlist. I have more detailed eyebrow tutorial, guys. You can go and check that one out too also. So I'm just doing the eyebrow for her now. So now I'm just filling it little by little there. So you don't want it to be too dark. So just look at what I'm doing here now. I'm just making a little stroke at that front there to make the brow to look natural at that front. This process is optional, but I love doing it. It do make my brow to look more natural. So that is it. I'm doing the other side now. So I'm doing the other side. I'm making it to look a bit natural. One thing about this brow, guys, eyebrow are not twins, they are sisters. So there are some times that you will do the eyebrow to be very perfect, while sometimes you will do it will not really come out the way you really want. But don't really stress yourself much. All you just have to do is try to make the eyebrow to be the same. Not to, if you even want to make mistake on eyebrow, don't make it to be that obvious that someone that is coming that will see your face will see, this eyebrow, they are not the same. But if you still make mistake on eyebrow, you will be the one to know. But somebody that is not professional will still be looking at it as if you have do perfect eyebrow, but you that do your eyebrow, you will know that you made a mistake there. So even though you want to make a mistake, don't make it to be that obvious that people will know that this eyebrow, you have made a mistake there. So what I'm using this to do now, I'm using it to brush the hair of the brow so that the hair of the brow will stay in place throughout the whole day. So that product is Vim Beauty. Now I'm using my wet LA Pride concealer. If you watch all my video, my makeup video, you will know that I'm really obsessed with this concealer. This is what I've been using right from time for my eyebrow, and it's very affordable, guys. It's very affordable. When I mean very affordable, it's very affordable and it's very okay. That's what I've been using for my eyebrow. So that is what I'm basically using now. I'm mixing those two shades there, that medium and light. That is what I'm mixing together now. So if you are doing your eyebrow, just be patient to do it. Don't be in a hurry. Just take your time. Take your time and do your eyebrow to get what you really want. So the next thing I'll be blending the concealer that I just used now. That's what I'm doing now. I'm blending the concealer. Blend. I'm so sorry if you are hearing any noise. It's just engine in my side now, so I'm very sorry about that. So I'll be concealing the other side now. That's what I'll be doing now. One thing I notice about my eyebrow sometimes, like in this tutorial that I'm showing you guys now, if you watch this video carefully very well, you will see the first one that I do is more perfect than this one that I'm doing now. I noticed that if I start concealing my eyebrow from the front, I do make mistake, and I've not noticed it if not for this eyebrow now that I just notice it. So if you watch that other one, I start concealing from the middle, bringing it down to the front. So I will advise you, if you want to conceal, try and start from the middle, then bringing it down to the front and to the back. I hope you understand what I'm saying, because I noticed that if I start concealing my eyebrow from the front, sometimes I do make mistake, while sometimes it's come out perfect, but most time I do make mistake, and I just noticed it now in this tutorial. So just look at that. This other side is like V, it's like arc, while this other side is like round, but I'll be using concealer to perfect it. That's one thing about concealer. You can use, if you made a mistake in drawing your eyebrow, you can use concealer to bring the shape out the way you want. So that is one thing about concealer. And if you are concealing your upper eyebrow, make sure you use the person exact shade, so that it will not be difficult for you to blend. Because if you use lighter shade for the upper area, it will be more difficult for you to blend. So try and use the person exact shade, or you can even use the person concealer shade, the foundation you use on that person's skin to apply on that person's skin. You can just use that foundation to shape the upper area, so that it will be very easy for you to blend. You see what I'm saying? So it will be very easy to blend. So now I'll be doing the other side now. This other side there is like round. I'll try to make it to look, I'll try and make it to look like arc, like the other area, like the other side now. So that is it. Do let me know if you want to see the part 3, that is the finishing touch of the whole makeup. Do let me know how I apply the eyeshadow. Do let me know at the comment section. So that is it about the eyebrow, guys. That is it. So please do let me know at the comment section if you want me to be doing more of makeup tutorial, because I noticed gele tutorial is no more. People did not really watch makeup gele tutorial these days. So please do let me know at the comment section if you want to be seeing more of makeup tutorial. I will be glad to do it. So that is it about the brow. So please do let me know if you want to see the finishing look of this tutorial. I don't want the video to be too long, so that is why I'm dividing it like this. So do let me know. Bye.